Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Beginner English Hub. I'm Maya, and as always, I'm joined by my wonderful co-host, Leo.
Hi, Maya. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited for today's topic because it is something very close to our hearts, family.
That's right. Whether your family is big or small, knowing how to describe them is essential for any English learner.
Let's start with the basics. In English, we often use the term nuclear family. Maya, what does that mean?
Great question. A nuclear family is the small core group, parents and children. So that includes your mother, father, brother, and sister.
And don't forget the siblings. If someone asks, do you have any siblings? They want to know if you have brothers or sisters.
Exactly. I have two siblings, one older brother and one younger sister. What about you, Leo?
I am an only child. That means I don't have any brothers or sisters.
Interesting. Being an only child means you got all the attention growing up, right?
Yes, and all the chores. Listeners, pay attention to those terms: nuclear family, siblings, and only child. Now let's go outside the house to the extended family.
This is where it gets fun. We have our grandparents, grandma and grandpa, aunts, uncles, and cousins.
In some cultures, cousins are like brothers and sisters. In English, we just call them cousins, but they are very important.
And then we have the in-laws. These are the people you become related to through marriage.
Right, so your husband's mother is your mother-in-law. Your wife's brother is your brother-in-law.
It sounds complicated, but just remember, if they are related to your spouse, just add in-law at the end.
We also have relatives. This is a general word for anyone in your family tree.
Let's talk about romantic relationships. Leo, if someone isn't married and doesn't have a partner, what is their relationship status?
They are single.
And if they are meeting new people to find a partner?
We say they are dating. They might have a boyfriend or a girlfriend.
If the relationship becomes very serious and they decide to get married, they get engaged.
Once they have a wedding, they are married. The man is the husband and the woman is the wife.
We can also use the word spouse to talk about a husband or wife in a more formal way.
What if a marriage ends, Maya?
Then the couple is divorced. If they are no longer living together but still legally married, they are separated.
It's not just about the names, it's about the people. How do we describe our relatives?
My mother is very kind and patient. My brother, however, is very funny but sometimes a bit lazy.
Every family has a lazy one. We also use the phrase get along with.
Yes, I get along well with my sister means we have a good relationship. We don't fight.
If you have the same personality as your father, we say you take after your father.
That's a great phrasal verb. Take after means to look like or act like an older relative.
Modern families are often blended families.
This is when parents remarry. You might have a stepmother, a stepfather, or step-siblings.
It's also common to have a guardian, someone who looks after a child but isn't their biological parent.
Family is about who loves you and takes care of you, regardless of the name.
Wow, we covered a lot of words today, from siblings to in-laws to being engaged.
Listeners, here is your challenge. Write 3 sentences in the comments about your family.
For example, I have 2 siblings. I take after my mother. I get along well with my cousins.
We can't wait to read your stories. Thank you for listening to Beginner English Hub.
See you next time. Goodbye.